Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best mini pool tables you can buy in 2025. Whether you're looking for a compact option for a quick game at home, something portable for the family, or just a budget-friendly pick, I've got you covered. As always, you can find links to all the products in the description below. So, let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Sakar Cannonball Games Pool Table Game Set. If you're shopping on a tight budget, this is the most affordable option on our list, priced at just $16.91. This tabletop pool table is great for casual use, especially for kids or anyone new to billiards. It comes with everything you need to start playing right out of the box, including 2 cues, a set of balls, and a triangle rack. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to bring along to parties or family gatherings. In terms of design, the Sakar pool table features a plastic frame with a green playing surface. While it's not the sturdiest option on the market, it gets the job done for quick, fun games. The compact size makes it ideal for small spaces, and because it's so lightweight, you can store it easily when not in use. However, the build quality reflects its price point. It's not the most durable option, and the cues and balls feel a bit flimsy. Overall, the Sakar Cannonball Games pool table is perfect for kids or casual players who don't want to spend too much. It's a simple and affordable way to introduce billiards to younger players or enjoy a few games without a big commitment. That said, if you're looking for something sturdier or more refined, you may want to check out the higher-ranked options on this list. At number 4, we have the Bribelli Tabletop Pool Mini Pool Table and Billiard Set. This compact option stands out for its portability and ease of use, making it a solid choice for anyone who wants to enjoy a quick game at their desk or during a break. Despite its small size, this set includes everything you need for realistic gameplay. 2 cues, a complete set of resin balls, a triangle rack, and chalk. At just $24.29, it's a great mid-range option. The Bribelli pool table is smaller than most on this list, measuring only 14 inches long, which makes it perfect for tight spaces. It features a wooden frame and felt lining that mimics the look and feel of a regulation table. However, because of its compact size, it's best suited for short games or practice sessions. The cues and balls are significantly smaller than standard sizes, which can be a bit tricky for adult players, but ideal for kids or casual use. This product shines as a travel-friendly option or a game for office desks and bar tops. While it's not as durable or full-featured as the larger models, it's a fun, affordable option for light use. The Bribelli Tabletop Pool Set is a great choice for beginners or those looking for a quick, easy-to-store solution. Our number 3 pick is the Mini Pool Table by HeyPlay. This 20-inch tabletop billiards game strikes a balance between portability and gameplay quality. It includes all the standard accessories: 2 cue sticks, a set of 16 mini balls, a triangle rack, chalk, and a brush to keep the felt clean. While the price is currently unavailable, this product is often listed in the affordable to mid-range category, making it a great value buy. The design features a wood grain frame with a green felt top, lending it a classic billiards look. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for game nights, road trips, or even as a decorative piece for your game room. The table is ready to use right out of the box, with no assembly required. However, while the materials feel sturdier than cheaper models, they don't quite match the durability of the premium options on this list. What makes this product stand out is its versatility. It's great for introducing kids or beginners to the game, yet still enjoyable for adults looking for a quick match. While it doesn't offer the professional-level feel of a full-size table, the HeyPlay Mini Pool Table is a fantastic all-rounder for casual fun. At number 2, we have the Main Street Classics 20-inch tabletop miniature billiard/pool game set. This product is an excellent option for anyone who wants a high-quality tabletop pool experience without breaking the bank. Priced at $32.99, it offers a great mix of features, including a durable engineered wood frame, felt-lined surface, and side ball return for easy retrieval. The set also comes with 2 cues, 16 mini balls, a triangle rack, chalk, and a brush. In terms of design, the Main Street Classics table looks premium, with a green felt top and solid wooden construction. The sideball return is a standout feature, mimicking the feel of a traditional pub-style table. The dimensions are just right at 20 inches long, making it compact enough for easy storage, while still large enough for enjoyable gameplay. Best of all, it requires no assembly, so you can start playing right away. This product is perfect for kids, families, or casual players looking for a more authentic pool experience in a compact format. The only downside is that the cues and balls are smaller than regulation size, so it may not satisfy players looking for a professional feel. However, for its price and features, the Main Street Classics mini pool table is one of the best options out there. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Queen-Cell 20-inch small pool table. This premium option is priced at $44.99 and offers a fantastic balance of build quality, gameplay experience, and portability. It comes as a complete set, including 2 cues, a set of balls, a triangle rack, and chalk. While it does require simple assembly, the sturdy and durable materials ensure it's built to last. The Queen-Cell pool table features a sleek green felt surface and a plastic frame that feels solid and well constructed. At 20 inches long, it's the perfect size for tabletop play, and its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. The slightly elevated frame adds a touch of elegance, and the build quality feels premium compared to other options on this list. It's perfect for family game nights or casual matches with friends. The standout feature of the Queen-Cell table is its durability. Unlike cheaper models, this table is built to withstand more intense play, making it ideal for both adults and kids. While the price is on the higher side, you're paying for a premium product that delivers long-term value. If you're looking for the best mini pool table experience, the Queen-Cell game table is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect mini pool table for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this one. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.